Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm on my terrace and I'm planning to do a little cozy corner. Just like a picnic to set up for the evening and all. Who doesn't love spending some quality time with their loved ones, right? Like be it a date night or a birthday evening or anything of that sort. So let's get started with that. Here I have taken a 5-meter cloth and folded it into half. So on the topmost we need to tie it up. You can use a hairband or a string to tie it. Here I have used a thread to get it together, and now you can see the thread also. So that's it. Now using another thread I'm running into the previous one so that I can hang it to the wall. And here I have used a provision to tie it up. And if you don't have any of that sort, we can use a nail or a command hook also, which is onto the wall. So the canopy part is done, and for the seating purpose I have placed a mattress and spread a bedsheet on that. Add up to 3 to 4 cushions for your comfort. And now the best part, the tassel string. It will completely change the look of our canopy, so have a look to how to make it. I have made 20 to 30 of these tassels and made a string out of it. Tie them to a string and then place it over the canopy. Likewise. And how colorful it has become, right? Now place a rug before the canopy. The bigger the much better it will be. Here I am using what I have at home. So I have used this rug. Add a table on that and you can set up for your picnic. I have added an extra cushion for the seating purpose, and see how the cushion looks. Here I am placing a bottle lamp, and I have painted that with a liquid detergent. So you can check my channel for the bottle lamp reference. And lastly, always add greens, plants to your setup. It will lift up the mood instantly. And now when the lights are up, it's perfect to spend time with your loved ones, right? So comment down, and if you like the video, please do subscribe.